Hi friends, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. I have a giveaway today. So we are nearing 8,000 subscribers to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And I have a few giveaways planned. But first I want to tell you real quick what I've been up to. I'm sorry I've been late around, but last week I showed you a video on Tunisian Intarsia and I finished this gray scarf for my Patrick. So if you didn't see the Tunisian Intarsia video, please go back and like it because I think it turned out really well. I showed you two different colors in the video, but this is how it turned out in the solid gray and I think it's so handsome. And Theo scratching to get in the door. Also, in the last week, I made another greenery hat for Mara. Ooh, so it was green in my book, One Skein Crochet, and she loves her white version so much she wanted a chocolate brown one. So this is Barocco Vintage chocolate brown. Now, on to the first giveaway. So we are nearing 8,000 subscribers, so we are going to do 5 balls of Brava Worsted in white, bright white. And so I wanted to make this one prize package because this would make a gorgeous whatever, either a baby blanket or a shawl or a wedding item or a baby sweater or an adult sweater. I think you're going to love it. You know that I use Brava Worsted a lot on my channel and I use lots of different colors. I used these colors of Brava the other day in the Tunisian Intarsia video. And I want to give away to one lucky winner. And stay tuned because I want to tell you about the 9,000 and 10,000 idea. So what you need to do is like this video and write down in the comments below, leave any kind of comment about what you think your favorite blanket yarn color is. But also, if you feel like telling me what you would do with 5 gorgeous balls of Brava Worsted Weight acrylic in white, then let me know. So this has, how many yards is in this? 218 yards. So a really nice yardage here. 218 yards times 5. So that is for this week. So leave a message and let's see, let's make a due date. Today is the 8th. Let's pick the 15th. I'd like to have you all enter by midnight, the night of July 15th, 2021 with that information, and I will pull a winner randomly from the comments, and it needs to be a person I can ship to. Now, because I'm getting so close to 10,000 subscribers, I'm so excited. I think when I hit the 9,000 subscribers mark, so I'm nearing 8,000, but when I hit the 9,000 subscribers mark, we're going to do a book pack giveaway. Now, I know a lot of you have a few of my books already, but many of you do not. I am going to give away one of each of all 6 of my books, plus a hard copy of the PDF that is all about how to become a crochet designer, how to look at calls, subscription, or what do you call it? Calls for designs, all the different editorial calendars. So you'll get a hard copy of that PDF with all of those resources. This is only a few of the pages. It's actually much longer. And all 6 signed copies of my book. That'll be for when I hit the 9,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. I will get a video together and this will be the prize. Woohoo! So make sure you turn on the notifications bell so that when I hit 9,000 subscribers, you can be ready for that awesome giveaway. Now, the 10,000 subscribers, so as soon as I hit 10,000 subscribers, we are going to do a $100 gift card to a yarn provider. And so I am going to figure out who the lucky yarn provider would be, you know, some of my favorite companies, but I want you to hang in there and make sure that you're watching the channel, you're subscribing, turning on the notifications bell, you're sticking around, because I am going to give a $100 US gift card to an online yarn retailer for the lucky winner of that giveaway. When that giveaway opens, that giveaway will open when I hit 10,000 subscribers, and I put up the video with all of the details of when to enter, how to enter, and that kind of thing. In the meantime, go scrolling through my videos and see which stitch pattern I've done that you might want to do in the Brava White if you're the lucky winner. And consider sharing any one of my videos with any crocheter in your life who you think might enjoy a little introduction to the Ellen Gormley YouTube channel. If you stuck around this long in the video, I am going to offer you a little sneak peek. So hang in there. I'm bending over. Oh, I wanted to show you something else too. Okay, hang in there. Because you've lasted this long through the video, I'm making another Tunisian Intarsia scarf, this one for myself. Ooh, out of Barocco Vintage. Ah, lovely. But the other sneak peek, as your reward for sticking around this long in the video, is this. This is your sneak peek. This is what is coming soon. Okay, that's a hint to what's coming soon. So thank you so much for hanging in there through the whole video, and I will see you next time.